Hi guys, and welcome back on GSM-ABC YouTube channel. In this tutorial I want to show you how to change your clock style on your cover screen on Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. So let's do it. So this is now my clock style on my cover screen, and to change it, just open the cover, go to settings, and here go down and press on cover screen. Here press on clock style, and this is now my clock style, and from here you can choose another one. Let's pick up, for example, this one, and you have the option to customize. From here you can change the color. Let's choose red, and also you can choose the text color. Let's choose blue, and then just press done, and press again done. Now close the cover, and this is how it looks. I think it's very nice and very pretty. And now let's pick up, for example, another one. Let's choose this one. Of course you can customize, change the color and the text color, and then just press done, press again done, exit, close the cover, and this is how it looks. It's very nice. Now I will go back to the initial clock style, and I want to show you how to change the background image. Just press here, and you have the option to select your own photo from here. And I will choose this one. It's a photo that I made with this phone, and then just press done. Here arrange the photo, and press set on cover screen, and press again done. And now let's close the cover screen, and this is how it looks. I think it's very nice. So this was my tutorial for today. I hope to be useful for you, and see you to the next. Have a nice day.